Okay, so hopefully you've already tried number 5 on your own. The axis of symmetry ended up being 2. And then the vertex was 2, 4. And then the y-intercept was 0, 0 because C was 0. So it's all good. I took my vertex and I put it in the middle of my table, and I picked an x value less than this number and greater than this number, and then used my table of values to find these y's. If you didn't know how to do that, you could have also plugged in x here to this equation and y to this equation. Excuse me. You could have plugged this x value into this equation and gotten 3. You could have plugged this x value into this equation and gotten 3 again. So you can always use the calculator or plug in. And then I plotted my 4 points just like that. All right, let's talk about 6. 6 was a little weird because it went off the graph, but hopefully all of this information is good for you. So the axis of symmetry ended up being -4. The vertex was -4, -15. The y-intercept was 0, 1 because C was 1. I put my vertex in the middle of my table, and I said I need to pick 2 values on either side of this x value. So -3 and -5 are perfect. That's -14, sorry. So when I pulled these values off my table, this is what I got. All I did was just kind of extend this y-axis so that these values would fit, but in general, this is what your graph should look like. So understanding these 4 steps is all I really want you to stress on in 8.3, okay? Go back and rewatch anything if you're missing one piece and not sure how I'm doing this, and just be very careful and aware of when you're plotting points on your coordinate plane.